Once in a quiet village hidden among tall mountains, there lived a 24-year-old man named Marco. He was restless all the time. His head was never still. Thoughts kept coming and going without pause. These thoughts made him uneasy and drained. He felt sorrow about his past and carried endless worry about his future. Because of this, his mind was like a storm. He could not rest, he could not sleep, and he had even forgotten how to smile. One day, Marco heard of another village far away in the hills. People said a wise elder lived there. Long ago, this man had been a well-known psychologist in the city. He had guided many people and shown them how to find peace within. But now he was old. He left the noisy city and moved to a simple village close to nature. From time to time, he gave advice to those who came. Marco became curious and hopeful. He thought, maybe this elder can help me calm my mind. After many days of walking through tiring paths, Marco reached the hill village. He saw a small house covered with green plants. On the porch sat the old man. His eyes were closed, his face calm. Marco stepped closer and said softly, "Grandfather, my mind never rests. Thoughts do not stop. I want peace in my heart. Will you help me?" The elder slowly opened his eyes and gave a gentle smile. "You seek peace," he said. "Then I will give you a task." He took Marco into his small yard. He filled a glass with water until it was completely full. The water was so high that even the smallest shake would spill it. He handed the glass to Marco and said, "Walk to the edge of the village and come back. But not a single drop must fall." Marco was surprised, but he accepted. He held the glass carefully and began walking. The road was narrow and filled with noise. People walked, children shouted, dogs barked, shopkeepers called to buyers. But Marco kept his eyes fixed only on the glass. He walked slowly, step by step, steady. People stared but did not stop him. They knew he was being taught something. At last, Marco returned to the old man. He said with relief, "Grandfather, I did it. Not one drop spilled." The elder nodded and asked, "Good. But tell me, did you see the children playing by the road? Did you hear the barking dogs?" Marco looked confused. "No, I noticed nothing. I was only watching the water." The elder smiled again. "That is the lesson. When your mind stays with the present moment, there is no place for fear or useless thoughts. While holding the glass, you forgot past and future. Your mind became still. That is peace." Marco began to see the truth. Peace was not something to search for outside. It was already inside, waiting for him when he stayed in the present. He bowed his head. "Grandfather, now I understand. If I keep my mind in this moment, then peace will come." The elder smiled once more. The sun was setting, the last light touched the earth, and birds flew back to their nests. Marco walked home again. But he was no longer the same restless young man. He carried quiet inside, because he had learned how to calm his mind. That if you enjoyed this story, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And subscribe to our channel for more simple and thoughtful stories. Thank you for being with us. See you next time with new lessons and new ideas. Until then, stay calm and stay peaceful.